Unit 4, page 23. Reading and listening. Number 1. Look at the words in the box. Are men and women's opinion on these topics generally the same or different? We have these three words on this box. Please, I want you to repeat after me. Please repeat. Cars, cars. Shoes, shoes. Sports, sports. Please take a few minutes to give your opinions about whether men and women's opinions on these topics generally the same or different. Here you have some examples. For cars, about cars. Usually men are more into cars than women. Women don't mind too much about cars. They are not into cars. Usually men are the ones who are more into cars. What about shoes? Well, for shoes, I guess women are more into shoes because usually women are more into fashion. Um, Men usually find simpler ways for clothing. And for sports, I think men go crazy more about sports than women. Probably it's because men have a very competitive nature more than women. Okay, number 2, complete the opinions of the people below with the words from exercise 1. How are men and women different? Letter A. I have 4 pairs of shoes. 2 pairs for the week, 2 pairs for the weekend. My wife has 40 pairs of maybe 50. Why? Letter B. We have 2. I drive a Golf GTI 2-liter FSI turbo with alloy wheels, top speed 200 kilometers an hour. My girlfriend drives a blue car named All. C. Every weekend my husband goes to a bar and watches on TV. I'm number 3 in his life. Number 1 is, number 2 is beer, and number 3 is me. Now please take a few minutes to insert these words in the box in these 1, 2, and 3 spaces. Please pause the video if you need time to do so. Now that you have filled in the blanks with these 3 words on exercises A, B, and C, check your answer. Listen and check your answer.
Track 1.49. A.
I have 4 pairs of shoes. 2 pairs for the week, 2 pairs for the weekend. My wife has 40 pairs of shoes, maybe 50. Why?
B.
We have 2 cars. I drive a VW Golf GTI 2-liter FSI turbo with alloy wheels. Top speed 200 kilometers an hour. My girlfriend drives a blue car named Al.
C.
Every weekend, my husband goes to a bar and watches soccer on TV. I'm number 3 in his life. Number 1 is sports, number 2 is beer, and number 3 is me.
That was a good job. After you check your answers with the audios, please repeat the audios A, B, and C until you can see that your pronunciation gets better. Okay, let's continue. Number 3, underline the affirmative or negative form to make true sentences. Letter A, I have or don't have 40 pairs of shoes. Letter B, my friends and I go, don't go to a bar every weekend. Letter C, my father doesn't watch sports on TV. Letter D, my mother doesn't have a blue car. Letter E, I drive or don't drive. Compare your sentences with a partner. Okay, in this exercise in number 3, what you had to do was to underline the affirmative or negative form to make true sentences for you. I'm going to tell you the true sentences for me. Letter A, I don't have 40 pairs of shoes. I wish I had 40 pairs of shoes. Letter B, my friends and I go to a bar every weekend. I'm probably not bars, but more to clubs. I'm a person who loves dancing. Letter C, my father doesn't watch sports on TV. Yeah, my father doesn't watch sports on TV. He doesn't like sports at all. Letter D, my mother doesn't have a blue card. Yeah, my mother doesn't have a blue card. She has a black card. Letter E, I drive. Yes, I drive. I know how to drive. Were the same answers for you? Well, that is what you have to tell me in your videos. Okay, please record a video to tell me what sentences are true for you. Okay, now what I want to do is to explain a little bit about the simple present. Here we have a very short explanation or example of the simple present. Here in this left margin we have the simple present here in this area. Okay, simple present. I work, you work, we work, they work. I don't work, you don't work, we don't work, they don't work. Do you work? Yes, I do. No, I don't. He works, she works, it works. He doesn't work, she doesn't work, it doesn't work. Does he work? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Okay, now I'm going to show you a little video that goes further simple present. It gives you a wider explanation about the simple present.